Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the Wondershare Filmora, one of the best video editing tool out there. Whether you are a beginner or looking to edit your videos, Filmora has got you covered. Let's get started. Upon launching the Wondershare Filmora, the interface presents various options. On the left side, you will find the tool for creating a new project, accessing the Filmora cloud, exploring the Creator Hub, and utilizing the AI tool box. Coming to the center, in the center, the new project button lets you start a new editing session for a videos or audios. Just below the new project option, additional features are available, including the screen recording, AI text to video, AI text based editing, silent deduction, AI copywriter, and instant cutter. Okay, let's get started by clicking on the new project and try to edit our videos. Once you click on the new project, let's get started with the editing the videos. So here on the left you have got your media library where you import your videos, images and audio. The center is your timeline where you will arrange and edit your clip, and on the right you have got the preview window and various editing tool. Let's begin by importing your media. Click import to add your videos or a photo or a music file. Select your file and click on open. They will appear in your media library ready for editing. Now let's get into the basic editing. Let's begin by importing your media. Click import to add your videos or a photo or a music file. Select your file and click on open. They will appear in your media library ready for editing. Now let's get into the basic editing. Drag your media files to the timeline to start arranging them. Once it's done, to trim a clip, click and drag the edge. To split a clip, use the cut tool. These basic tools are essential for shaping your videos. Filmora comes with a ton of effects and transition. Go to the Effect tab, pick an effect or transition and drag it on to your clip. You can preview and adjust this to match your video style. Now let's add some text and titles. Click on the title tab to choose your various text style. Drag your chosen title to the timeline, customize the text font, color and size to fit your video theme. Once it's done, Filmora also offers some advanced features like color correction and screen effects. Explore the Colors tab to adjust brightness, contrast, and more. If you are using green screen, go to the Chroma key features to replace background. Finally, it's time to explore your masterpiece. Click on Export to save your videos. Choose your format, resolution, and destination. And there you have it. Everything you need to start editing with Wondershare Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a